In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Facebook Messenger. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Messenger shows the name from your Facebook profile, so you don't edit it directly in Messenger. Instead, you change your name in Facebook's Account Center, and Messenger updates automatically. This works the same way whether you're using the Facebook app on your phone or the website in a browser. Start by opening Facebook. If you're on the app, tap your profile picture to open the main menu. In a browser, your profile picture is usually at the top right and does the same thing. From there, choose Settings and Privacy, then tap or click Settings. You'll see an option called Accounts Center. This is Meta's centralized place for managing profile details that apply across Facebook and Messenger. Go ahead and open it. Inside Account Center, select Personal Details, and then choose Name. This is where you can type in the new name you want to use. Take a moment to enter your first name, last name, and, if you want, a middle name. Double-check spelling, capitalization, and any special characters. Facebook has name standards, so avoid unusual symbols, punctuation, or stylized text that might not be allowed. If you're changing your name to reflect a preferred spelling or adding a middle name, make sure it matches how you want it to appear in chats. When you're happy with what you've entered, tap Review Change. Facebook may show you how your name will appear, and sometimes you can pick a display order if that's offered for your region. This preview is your chance to confirm that everything looks right before you commit. To finalize, you'll be asked to enter your Facebook password. This is a security step to confirm it's really you making the change. Type your password and confirm. Keep in mind, Facebook limits how frequently you can change your name, so choose carefully to avoid getting stuck with a version you don't love for a while. After you confirm, your new name is saved to your Facebook profile. Messenger will update automatically to reflect this change. It may take a few moments to sync everywhere, especially in existing conversations, but there's nothing else you need to do. Your friends will see your updated name in chats once the change has processed. That's it. Simple and straightforward. Open Facebook, go to Settings, head into Account Center, update your name, review, and confirm with your password. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Messenger name exactly how you want it.